Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best spray in bed liners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spray in bed liners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Dupli-Color BAK2010. Dupli-Color Spray In Bedliner brings you a coating kit that cares about your need and comes with a lot of essential things like a roller frame, cover and tray for your convenience. It also includes some scuff pads which you will need while applying the formula on your vehicle. To make your work even easier, a brush and a stir stick is included, so that you can do it all by yourself without needing any kind of assistance. If you are searching for the reason why this product got such a high reputation in terms of durability, then look no further than its core ingredient. DuPont Kevlar, a powerful synthetic fiber, which has an excellent heat-resistant property, can combat the effect of gasoline or any kind of chemical pretty easily. This water-based formula is less toxic than other available options on the market. With the help of some rubber particles, the solution is capable of providing you with a skid-resistant surface. Moving on at number 4. We have the Custom Coat GM White. The kit includes a total number of 15 bottles in different sizes and an applicator gun. Although you are getting a pretty decent deal in terms of getting this enormous package at a reasonable price, there are some other benefits as well. Each bottle of the bed liner base contains 21 ounces of solution. By mixing it up with the hardener and the urethane white colored tint, you will be able to cover an area around 150 square feet with 10 mils of thickness. That's quite a generous amount compared to the rest of the products available on the market. Once you are done decorating your car with this paint coat, the protective layer will prevent your vehicle from getting chipped or flaking off. This particular kit available in the color white. But, hey, you can choose any color you want from its 50 other available options and give your car a unique look. At number 3, we have the U-POL Raptor Black Liner and Texture Kit. Unlike most bedliner kits, this option does away with the extra included tools that can nearly double the price of the kit. Instead, the kit only comes with the protective coats you need to get a high-quality layer onto the surface of the bed. The bedliner is easy to mix up and apply to the truck bed. The bottles are tintable, meaning you can, and most likely should, add some color for the final finish. With the right prep, the spray can also be added to other areas like the bumper and fenders. Unfortunately, near-perfect preparation is the key to getting the best results with this bedliner. Proper sanding, removing dirt and debris, and other basic steps to get the surface clean and clear are important. Otherwise, the bedliner has trouble sticking to the vehicle, especially on non-metal surfaces. At number 2, we have the Linerxtreeme Spray On Bedliner Kit. While this Linerxtreeme product is the priciest item on our Spray In Bedliner reviews, the outcome that you get or the surface that it creates makes it worth it. With a few coats of this bedliner, you will get a hard enough and tough surface that is designed to provide maximum protection from UV damage and also protects the truck bed from scratches, stains, and corrosion. The long-lasting semi-gloss finish will also look amazing on your vehicle, and there is enough spray in the container to cover 2 short bed trucks or 1 8-foot truck bed. The application should also be relatively easy and quick as the manufacturer provides a free spray gun and some precise and easy-to-follow instructions. When compared to others on our list, this spray-on bedliner is relatively pricier. But, given its top-notch quality, this custom coat spray bedliner is worth the extra bucks. And finally at number 1, we have the Custom Coat Black. Custom Shop makes this spray in bedliner with user convenience in mind as it is super easy to mix and use. All you need to do is to add the hardener, shake it and it will be ready to spray. The Bedliner also comes with a spray gun which is fitted with a regulator to make it even more convenient. And it is formulated to offer excellent adhesion on the truck bed. Besides using the spray gun, it is also possible to apply this Bedliner using a brush or roller if you prefer a different texture. Like most other high-quality ones, it will provide protection from corrosion, extreme temperatures and also does not stain. When you buy this custom shop Bedliner, you will get enough material to spray almost any truck bed, which means you will not need to spend more on buying extra bottles. While some truck owners might not find this Spray In Bedliner thick enough, this should be an easy problem to fix as you only need to apply a few extra coats. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.